Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make the companion page to go with the fairy door. And it's basically, well, it's the Woodland collection from Mintay. And I'm also going to be using a few of the embellishments from There Is No Planet B from what is it? P13. Yes, that's it. And also from G45, I'm going to be using some of the fairies again. So I'm going to be using this picture, and her wings kept falling off, so I asked her mom, I said, where's your clothespins? And then I clothespinned it on her. So we're going with that story. Oh, and I've cut out the little lantern that was up there. Okay, so I am using the tree that looks like this, and I've cut it out. I mean, it's like, you know, talking about cutting up pretty papers. I had to keep cutting and cutting and cutting, and because I want her tucked in here. And so I had to cut away because I want her boots to also show, because I just think it's so funny that she's got on those boots with her little fairy outfit. And so this is where it's gonna be. And so I have it right over here. I've cut out stuff because this was a center of a paper, so I had to cut off quite a bit over here. So I'm gonna start with that, and you can see I've put foam on it, and it still took me forever, so I'm glad I don't have to pull off all the little things like I would have to my dimensionals. And I'm really surprised at how good this rolls on here. I've used, oops, I'm stuck to it. I've used the foam before, but it's been a while. And this one was smaller. I was at Hobby Lobby. I was at Walmart today, and I walked down the crafty aisle and seen this there. Maybe this isn't such a good idea. I'm sticking to it everywhere. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. If you can't find me, I'm behind the tree, stuck to the back of the tree. Oh, I still got some. Just a minute, I'm over here trying to stick it onto something else, stick it onto a piece of cardstock. Okay. Let go of the tape dispenser. You know, I'll be cleaning this. Okay, I think that should do it. Oh, I want one more here. Okay. So that should do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it up at the bottom. When I was loading the paper or the foam on it, I kept turning it upside down because from the back you can't even tell. It's like, which way is up? Okay, I think that's right where it needs to be, and I'll have to put some glue underneath the little branches and stuff that I didn't put any tape on, like these pieces. Okay, and then I'm gonna stick her so she's like walking behind the tree, she's walking back out into the woods. You know how I got the story going on in my head. Oh, I'm gonna have to lift it up a little bit. Find her a little place. Because I want to make sure we see all of her. Should be right about there. Let's see. Because I do want her straight, but I don't think I'll get my ruler there, so maybe. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, I can't get my ruler in there to make sure she's straight, but Oh, I can get it right next to it. So she looks pretty straight. I just need to bring her in just a little bit more. I think that will do it. Yep, that looks pretty good. Okay. I could tuck her in a little bit more, but is that where I have her? I think she needs to go in just a little bit more. Does anybody else have this trouble? Whole taping down thing. Okay, is that it? I don't even know if I got in any further. It looks like maybe a little. I should have marked her and then put her down before the tree, I think. Okay, I can still see her boots. Oh, I'm stuck on my table cover. Okay, I think that looks like the place. I can still see her boots. The tree is a little bit over her head, but that's okay. And I put dimensionals on a little bit of this because I'm going to bring it right down here because I had to cut the flower. Oh, and I got to quit touching that because it wants to connect to me more than the phone. Okay. And I want to catch where, see how I've got like this as a sharp line? There was actually, I think it was a little deer I had to remove because he kept standing in her way. Okay. And then I've got this little thing. It's a little lantern that I cut out of the back. So I'm going to stick this back in here. And I made a little pencil mark to where, whoops, I got a little bit of the tape sticking out, where it needs to just cover that. Okay. It looks like it moved a little bit from when I was arranging it because this actually was not quite in that spot. Okay, so I have a branch that I had cut from over here that I'm going to put it back in that area because it just looks like it needs something, because I did kind of, you know, just do a wonky cut around there. And so I'm going to put it right here to where it's just, it's going to kind of cover up the door knob. I wish I would have calculated the whole door thing, but when I took the picture, but who knew what you were going to do with it back then? I mean, that was 13 years ago. Okay, and I'm gonna stick a little fairy into onto this tree, or right like in front of the tree stump, like it's standing on this little branch, because you got to think about where they're standing. If they look like they're standing, they can't be flying if they're standing. And I've got the sitting down one again, except for she's turned in a different position than the last one. She's turned the other way. And this time I'm going to set her on this little mushroom. So she's sitting right here by this little squirrel. Oh, I got a little, okay, a little tape there. Okay, and then I think I have to put down the other things before I do that. Okay, now because she has this little clothespin here, I'm going to call this, where's my title? I've lost it. I really lost it. No, I did not go anyplace. Oh, here it is. Okay. Like the other day, I tried looking up books that were called something about fairies. So anyhow, I'm at my friend's house and I go, well, let me see if I can look up a book title or something, because Janet from RTS Scrapbooking, she talked about using book titles. So I go to look, and my friend's already found this, and it says Fairy Wing Repair. It's like, how good is that? Because I said, oh, we need something about repairing the fairy wings. And so she found this, and it was actually a place in the UK. I think it was in the UK, but it's closed now. But so, and anyhow, it was actually at Fairy Wing Repair. So that's going to be my title. And I'm going to stick it on here. And you know how this is, and I think I maybe need to do that before I put on the clothespins. So I'm gonna pause it and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the title put on there. Okay, and just like how this one had keys to the door hanging on it, this one is a tree that has clothespins growing on it to repair the fairies' wings when they have trouble. So I'm just gonna hang them around like they're just hanging there on the tree. I've got 7 of them. I think I can fit 7 on here. I'm just kind of putting them randomly. Wherever I think it looks like one might sprout. I actually had the idea for this one before I even did the other tree. Or whatever it was. I think it was a tree. It looked like a tree too, so. But I thought this was a fun idea since she had the wings that were being held up with the clothespin. And it worked really good. I mean, she was having a whole lot of trouble. Okay, and maybe here or down here. Maybe here. Okay. So now I just have my another fairy here. And did I save her place? Yes, because she's going to stand right here at right where the branch meets the tree. Okay, and then I have the one that's riding on the bird. And I know they don't show up real well, but I want them to be kind of like a little hidden thing in the story. Maybe I'll stick that one there. Or up here by the at, maybe up there by the at. Okay, and just like in the other one, it had like the little rubies kind of going, you know, kind of hidden around too. And I had bought these, they had them on sale at Hobby Lobby. I think they were in with their spring stuff. So I thought they kind of looked like a different color, but when they get over here, they look a little darker. I don't think I want the great big ones though. So I'm going to take those ones out. And I'm just going to kind of tuck them in different places. And they just look like little flowers. They look like little ruby flowers. Maybe one up here by the branch. maybe tuck one in here someplace. I'll use some smaller. I'll probably use 7, so I've got 3. 4. Oops. Okay, that's 5, so I'm going to put maybe a couple of little tiny ones. Well, it's like I got extra little or different tiny ones. Okay, I'm just going to put some of these. If I can get them off they're just gluing to me. They're going to be nail art. Okay, so that's 6 right there, right? 6. I'm going to do this. 7. Maybe I'll do 2 more of the little ones. They're so tiny. Where does it look like it needs one? Maybe over here. Okay, I think that's... How's that looking? Oh, maybe I need to stick a couple in this little area here where it's kind of like in the middle of the tree. I kind of have everything to the edges. Maybe one up here by this acorn. And maybe one down here by this acorn. Okay. Okay. Here's my little fairy at the wing repair shop. And I'll be gluing this stuff down, and I'll have close-ups at the end. Thank you for watching. Remember to give it a like if you liked it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.